guys, and welcome to today I'll be showcasing some of the skills that you're going to do today. So you're going to varnish one of the oldest, it's called a Rattan pole chair. These ones were imported from South Africa. So today I just want to show you what you're going to do to it in matters of restoration. At least there you'll be able to learn something. Now this channel is about it's all about entrepreneurship, and we mainly deal with pure rattan products. So I'll be showing you guys how you're going to do this. So welcome and enjoy the video. Thanks. Yeah, just like I shared, the first important thing is to strip off the old varnish with use of 80, it's called an 80 grit sanding, sandpaper. That's the most important thing, so that we are able to restore this furniture back to the way it was. So the idea, like I always say, of restoring any furniture first is to study the chair. Thereafter, once you study the chair, you're able to know all the pitfalls. Because the idea of restoration is to make sure the furniture gets back to how it was in its original shape. So very, very importantly, each piece of the frame has to be sanded, just like what is happening here. So it has to come out like white. All this has to come out, all this, so that when we apply a fresh coat of paint, we are able to have it as pristine as possible, just the way it was. Yeah, so this is how the seat looks like. It's kind of a recliner. It's a recliner seat. Then inside here it has some, I think you can see some posture springs. This is one of a kind of chair. And by the way, guys, if possible, it would be good if you could help me find out where I can how this posture. It looks like the way it has been recessed, it looks like a shock absorber, one of the kind. So the owner really wants this seat to be restored to the way it basically was. So once this is sanded, we'll apply walnut stain. The advantage of the stain is it unifies the color to the way it was. So this is how the chair looks like. That's a lot of work. It will take several hours to have this chair must come out like that, such that when you apply the stain, we are able to achieve its original color. Now this is called a rattan pole. Rattan poles, you can only get it in Southeast Asia. Like this chair is an import. We don't have rattan in Africa. So mainly can get it in Vietnam, Indonesia, or Singapore. That is where we import our rattans from. But now, mainly we import the weaving materials, not the frame. Such in Indonesia, these ones are referred to as kobu poles, kobu rattan poles. So this one has a diameter of let's say around 25 millimeters. It goes up to around 35 millimeters, but this one, I think this one is 35 millimeters, then this one is 25 millimeters. And then you can see what usually happens is they are steamed and bended. That's the only way you can achieve this intricate kind of shape. So they are bended. They are bended on molds. We don't have that kind of technique here in Africa, but I was thinking of introducing that kind of idea here. Here we don't have that. That is why most of the furnitures what I do is I buy the metal pipes. They're called furniture pipes. So once you buy the furniture pipes, that's when I'm able to buy the furniture pipe, and then when you buy the furniture pipe, that's when you're able to do the bending. But now this one is different. This one has been steamed. So I think I'll share the next video of how we are going to mix the stain and the varnish. So this one first is only to show how we sand these holes. Then the next one I'll be able to share with you how we stain. Thank you so much, guys. Welcome to the video.